thank you very much. I'm really enjoying the course and all the time and attention you're putting into these webinars. It's just amazing. So I have worn glasses since I was 10, so going on 40 years now, and have severe myopia, astigmatism, and recently in the last 4 years, presbyopia. So I've been wearing progressive lenses to deal with all that. But since starting your course, especially, I think I get a huge benefit from the sunning. Have noticed when I'm not wearing my glasses that I see more sparkles just in the world around me. I'm seeing a lot more shades of colors just as I look out, and which is so exciting. Feel like I'm seeing colors I've never seen before. Yes, and my my ability to read up close is without glasses is completely back to what it was just a few years ago. So I'm loving that.